Here we have a quadratic equation that we need to solve. 4k times k plus 6 equals 6. So let's see what we can do. Let's distribute that first. 4k times k will go as 4k squared plus 24k equals 6. Let's bring it all over to one side. 4k squared plus 24k minus 6 equals 0. Now, we have ABC here, and we can go ahead and use this in the quadratic formula. One little good way to go here, notice each of these are divisible by 2, each of the coefficients. So just to make life a little bit easier, let's divide both sides by 2. That'll just give us some smaller numbers. You'll get the same answer in the end, but you won't have to simplify as much. So we divide everything by 2, and 0 divided by 2 is still 0. So now we have our A, B, and C. A is 2, B is 12, and C is negative 3. So we do our quadratic formula, in this case K equals negative B plus or minus the square root of B squared minus 4AC all over 2A. And then we just clean it up. So we got negative 12 plus or minus the square root. And in here we've got 144. And this is going to become a plus because of the negative here and the negative here. And 8 times 3 is 24. All over 2 times 2 is 4. So we have negative 12 plus or minus 144 plus 24 is going to be 168. Over 4. Now we can break up 168. That's going to be the square root of 4 times the square root of 42, which will give us negative 12 plus or minus 2 times the square root of 42 all over 4. Now each of these terms here, the 2, the 4, and the 12, those are divisible by 2, so we can go ahead and divide those by 2. Divide that by 2, you'll get negative 6. Divide this by 2, you get 1. Divide this by 2, you get 2. And that leaves us with our final answer of k equals negative 6 plus or minus 1 times the square root of 42. We don't need the 1 there. All over 2. And there we have our solution. Two answers, negative 6 plus the square root of 42 over 2, and negative 6 minus the square root of 42 over 2.